Dr. F. Shakir Ahmed, Assistant Professor, Department of Management, HKBK Degree College. Bachelor of Business Administration is not only a degree course but also foundation for professional courses. After completing the second year, every student has to choose their interested area as a specialization like banking, finance, insurance, marketing and HR. Along with this regular course, the college is also offer a add-on certification courses based on that interested area from the professional institutions, which help the students to get the in-depth knowledge. During the 6th semester, every student has to do the internship as a part of this syllabus. It will help the students to choose their internship topic based on the specializations. The students get not only the theoretical knowledge from the course but also the practical understanding through internships. Other students also get placement opportunities through college initiatives like campus interview, placement drive. These are the some way the BPA department help the students to with internship and placement.